Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to enter opening balance in our company. Please note that opening entries are not relevant to a business which is started new, where all the entries are entered from scratch in ACCU360 ERP only. So, the first and the foremost question is why we need to enter the opening balances. It's because we might already be doing our business and saving our data in various places like multiple spreadsheets or small accounting and billing softwares. But now, to streamline our business processes, we want to migrate all existing data to ACCU360 ERP. We would be having multiple ledgers in our old books of accounts, and those ledgers may have outstanding balances. Now, to bring all those ledgers to ACCU360 ERP, we have to enter the opening entry and bring all the necessary ledgers having outstanding balances. We have prepared a case study through which we are going to understand the step by step procedure of passing the opening entries. We will be using the existing ledger of the company which we prepared while understanding the basics in our Basics of Accounting with ACCU360 ERP series. Be sure to check that series to clear the basic and initial setups you may require. You can find the link in the description of this video, or you can also check out the playlist section in our channel. Now first let's jump into the case study. Here in this case study we have the opening balance sheet of ACCU360. We have some heads, namely capital of Mr. A and B, non-current liabilities in which we have a loan from SBI, current liabilities in which we have provisions and sundry creditors, and then we have some fixed assets and some current assets. Okay, so we have some notes also, which is provision includes provision for tax of rupees 5,000 and a provision for payroll of rupees 35,000. Sundry creditor has a creditor new age LLP. Okay, so we have to create this ledger as we didn't create any ledger of new age LLP in our basics of accounting with AQ360 RP series. And then there is the difference in the liability side is being adjusted through the suspense account. Okay, so our first scenario was when the balance sheet is not matched and there are some discrepancies in the balance, which means we have some discrepancies in our balance sheet. Our balance sheet was not tallied, so we have to just add suspense account to match the both sides of the balance sheet. Okay, so we will address this situation while passing the entry of opening entry. Okay, advances to supplier is the advance made to all consultants private limited. Okay, so here the advances to the supplier 58,000 have some special entry we will see while passing the opening entry about this. Okay, so now let's just go back to AQ360 ERP and understand the process. Here we first navigate to the journal entry. To view the detailed explanation on how to pass a journal entry in AQ360 ERP, refer to our Basics of Accounting series. Here we will start adding a new journal entry. Now here we will add all the ledgers separately, but in the entry type we have to select the entry type as opening entry here. As soon as we select the opening entry in the entry type, we can see that all the ledgers which were added at the time of creation of chart of accounts of the company as well as the accounts that we have created while passing the entries have been filled automatically. See, we have all the flexibility to select any account or delete any of them by just selecting them. like this. But as we have our balance sheet to ensure that we do not forget any account, we just have to click on this select all button and then this cross to delete all these. Okay, this is a very important feature of ACCU360 ERP so that we do not forget any like ledger that we have to fill as an opening balance. Okay, now to add another box we have to just click on this plus button and then we will select in account as Mr. A because we will first enter all the capital accounts. Okay, so here we will add Mr. A's capital and then we will enter the amount which is 2 lakh, but 2 lakh is a credit amount here. Okay, now we will add another column. Here we will add Mr. B's capital and in the debit amount we will write it 0 and here we will write 2 lakh again. Okay, now we have to click on this make difference entry and here we have to select an account. Okay, now till we enter all the opening balances we need an account in which we can see how many opening entries are posted till now. It is also required to match the dual effect of the entry while accounting. Okay, so for this purpose there is an account which is by default added when we like select our chart of accounts at the time of the creation of the company. Okay, so the account is temporary opening account. So now just select the temporary opening account here and we will just click on this right tick to save and this log button to permanently submit the entry. Okay, now as the entry is submitted, now let's see the effect of its. Now here we will click on this view button and then we will go to the ledgers to see the effect. Okay, now here we can see that 4 lakh rupees has been added to the opening balance of this ledger. Okay, now we will go to the chart of account to see the other effects of this entry. Okay, so now let's go to the chart of accounts and we will click on expand all and here you can see that here you can see that the amount of Mr. A and Mr. B's capital has been increased by 2 lakh rupees. Okay, and also we can see that the temporary opening account has shown a balance of rupees 4 lakh now. Okay, so this is the effect of the entry we just passed. Now let's just open the ledgers of temporary account here and here we can see that the temporary account is showing a balance of 4 lakh rupees. Okay, please note that the temporary opening account is a temporary account and its balance should reflect 0 to verify the correctness of all the opening balances entered. Okay, so now let's pass the other entries as well. Okay, the next caption we will pass is the loan from State Bank of India, which is 1.5 lakhs. As the ledger of State Bank of India's loan is not created, so we have to also create the ledger of the State Bank of India. So here we will write loan from SBI and we don't have any account, so we'll click on new account. Here we will name it as loan from SBI. Okay, and in the parent account we will select liabilities. under loans. Okay, and then we will click on this right tick to save. Okay, this account is now here selected. Here we will add the amount as credit of 1,50,000, and then we will click on this make difference entry, and here we will again select the temporary opening account. Okay, and then we will just click on this right tick and this log button to save. Submit. Okay, permanently submit the. Okay, now we can again go to the ledgers. In the ledgers, we are only able to see the effect of this entry, which is loan from SBI has been credited by 1.5 lakh and temporary opening is debited by 1.5 lakh. Okay, so to view the ledger of temporary opening account, we have to here remove the voucher number, and here we have to select the temporary opening. Okay, so here we can see the amount is been increased to 5.5 lakhs. Okay, now let's just go to the loan from SBI account here, and here we can see that the loan from SBI account has been credited by 1.5 lakhs, but you can see it's not showing the opening balance. Like, we have to think about it, why so. So let's just go back to our journal entry and see what's the misconfiguration we have done. Okay, so here in the entry type we have selected journal entry instead of an opening entry. So this is wrong. We have to select the opening entry to show it as an opening balance of loan from SBI account. Okay, so we will just cancel this voucher like this. Then we will use Ctrl Shift D to permanently delete this. And here we will click another voucher. We will select the entry type as opening this time, and we will delete all this again. And here we will select the account as loan from SBI, and in the amount we will add 1.5 lakh. Then we will click on this make difference entry, and here we will select the account as temporary opening. Then we will again save this. Okay, now let's go to the ledgers here, and again we have to remove the voucher number, and here we will select loan from SBI account, and here you can see that 1.5 lakh has been added to the opening this time. Okay, now click on this to show the opening entries, and here we can see that this entry is an opening entry. Okay, when we will click it back again, it's just disappear, and we can only able to see the opening balance as 1.5 lakh rupees. Now again let's go to the journal and let's pass the remaining entries also.